how to instantly send money from Chase Bank with Zelle. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can instantly send money from Chase Bank with Zelle. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Chase app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on Pay and Transfer. Then tap on Send Money with Zelle. After that, add the account to which you want transfer by tapping on Add or by searching for it. Then enter the amount that you want to send and tap on Review and Send. At last, just tap on Send It Now and your money will be transferred instantly. So that's how you can instantly send money from Chase Bank with Zelle. That's all for this video.